Get down. I'm Nicholas Ables with Motorhome Specialist, and I want to introduce you to part of my family and the Entrada 210NS. Motorhome Specialist partnered with East to West to bring you the most affordable, high-value motorhome currently on the market.
You're taking too long, I got this. My name's Kaylin, and this is a beautiful motorhome with a tankless water heater for on-demand hot water at any time. It also includes an enormous amount of pass-through storage. It also has Azdel laminated walls with high-density foam insulation. I'm not really sure what that means, but my dad says it's really great.
This is a one-piece, maintenance-free, seamless roof with a 12-year warranty.
There is a lot of value built into this motorhome. It's got a 4.5 kilowatt generator, a stove, convection microwave, and the essential 15K BTU AC, which you have to have in Texas. It's also got a heat pump for the winter. You've got your queen size corner bed, rear bath, dinette for seating that converts into a bed, seat belts attached to it, so you put your favorite child up front, your others can sit in the back, and you are good to go.
Thought I was your favorite child. Anyways, there are hardwood maple cabinets and a loft big enough for 2 teenagers to fit comfortably.
It also has a large, smart LED TV with pass-through ventilation on both sides.
We made this deal with East to West before any of the tariffs, before any of the price increases, and they still decided to maintain that deal, maintain that price. So that's what we're going to do at Motorhome Specialist. We're not going to charge any more than $69,995, which is once again the least expensive Class C on the market today. So please give us a call where we have no hidden fees like other dealerships.
Generally speaking.
Come in, get this unit, and start making family memories that'll last a lifetime.